Right. Yeah, they go over there. No tree. Need help? Shove. Hey. Water is pushing the topper down. Yeah, I was trying to fish it. So, Gavin will go his spinner to fish the bottom, and it will come out here. 啊哈。你说是写不来了。Whoa!
Oh, I got it!
Oh, there you go, girl! There you go!
Wow, that's big.
Got it?
Yep.
Those are small ones.
How to do it so I can.
I'll do it for you because I don't want to teach you here because there's a lot of trees. It's going to be hard. We'll go to an open lake. And then? Yeah, and then when you go to an open lake, it'll be easier for you. Ay, pulay na to. You see how the wind is going this way? Over there where we're fishing towards, now we're going to be fishing from right to left, okay? So whenever you throw it out, you have to judge the wind now.
Oh, girl! No!
Oh, you missed it! You didn't set the hook, girl.
That's a big one, Walter!
Big one. Right, let the spinner go down. Don't spin it.
Blossom first trout.
First fish.
Oh, look, Ronan's got one too.
Okay, let me wash my hands.
They're jumping over there. They just sound like these up.
Mommy's gonna take a good view of you and catch fish. Because you see how it's going close towards that log? So slowly reel it in. And then we're gonna get over there. Because if it gets over there, it might wiggle up from that log and we're gonna have to break the line. Pass that log. There you go. There you go. Leave it. This is a deep lake. This might look shallow, but it's very deep. So the fish are just right out there. And especially with all these logs, they got a lot of camouflage. Set it! There you go! Did it? You gotta keep an eye on the bobber. Okay, reel it in now because that was like 3 bites that you did. Your bait is probably gone, see? There you go, you got it. You got it.
Slow.
You didn't set the hook. All you did was reel.
Rodent got another one. Oh.
Good. No, not good. Ooh, big boy. Big boy doing good now.
Good job. You big smile. You big smile.
Oh, you broke it.
Hopefully. Nó nói chỉ chụp vào cái nữa. Thôi cho khó nói thôi nhớ thưa à.
Tí sập nó chuột rồi trời kìa. Chạy cho xếp nó chuột hen.
Dạ, tao muốn chia rồi, cái chuyện luôn luôn.
Điện thôi là chim ma đấy à, phải chéo. Tông ăn chê.
Mình đẹp bà này, chúng mình chê đấy rồi.
Bà ta cũng ăn chê.
Tua đấy, mình bà nó nè. Cái bó thì nó bà này nhá, còn tôi là thóc tua rồi, bà nó ăn chê chứ mua lên. Núi nú no.
Lớn to chê hôi. Nó lớn to kế phá nó sát kia,แต่ก่อนก็รถได้นอนตีนอนเชิญcả muaอยู่.
Dạ. Chắc khó phải nói cái shit just nó nè tí giá chị ta nè.
Dạ, in ra phải còn.
Mua xe tiêu.
Thôi dù biết bó nụ về lại để dù chè. Cho cái tôi tay cái nó phải chua mùi. Chả nó thấy chua mùi cho nụ rồi.
No. Okay.
Getting better with your cast, man. The first thing about fishing, you have to learn how to cast. It's windy. You have to learn how to throw where. There you go. Good catch.
Oh, that one's got one in there.
Come on. Wait. And if you want it, you need to buy it. Huh? Just wait. You got no money? Okay. I'll take a loan. Wait. Go.
It's not. Oh,
Go.
it is on.
It's on, girl. Take your time. Slow down. Take your time. Oh, that's a big one. Wow. Look at my baby.
chasing it right there. So what we're using today is one of those. Tên hút đến nói chỉ cho chấm thôi á, chị. Chấm lại cắm lại nên chỉ cho chi. Thì it's okay. And then Jenna just go. It's chasing the bird quite a bit.
Oh, they all jumped out.
Go.
You got it?
Yeah, you got it. Stay on this up. Okay, really. Oi. Oh, beautiful fish. Oh, look at this color. Beautiful. All right. Right there.
Ooh.
Whoa, that was awesome. Oh, it's a big one. Whoa, another beautiful trout. The color is so beautiful, nice and blue. Wow, beautiful. See if we can get 2 in a row. Oh, it's right there. The kids are having fun. I'm having fun. Oh, right there. Right there. Woo. Another beautiful one. Wow. Another beautiful one. Well, thank you. Thank you for joining with us. It is a cold spring evening, but thank you for being with us. We are happy to be out here again. The ice has thawed out. The fish are biting. We're going to be doing halibut. We're going to be doing salmon. We're going to be hunting small game, big game. And so if you haven't liked and subscribed, thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate that. I've never thought that you guys would want to follow me and subscribe and do, be with me on my adventure. But thank you for subscribing. Give me a like and catch me on the next adventure. Thank you.
On